During your procedure, I installed an obedience chip, just in case my machinations went awry.
You monster.
Genius.
You. Genius.
Why, thank you, Julia. Now go on stage and join the debate.
Good evening, I'm Raquel Madcow, live from Nashua, New Hampshire. Please welcome your 2020 presidential candidates, Governor Tanya Walsh and Senator Julia Brain. Senator, voters are concerned about corruption in government. How would your administration address this?
I would simply allow the most intelligent minds
to make all of the decisions like Brain. No! Get out of my head!
Excuse me?
Yes, as president, I'll send...
Undesirables to the moon.
Hey, lady, I'm an undesirable, and there's no way I'm moving to the moon. Because there aren't guns there.
Who cares what you think, you well-informed voter whose opinions are quackier than a quackalack.
Things are getting out of hand. Time to regain control.
All this time I've been manipulated by a tyrant. But isn't the real tyrant high fructose corn syrup? That's why my platform is to...
Feed the children!